We have set up this new greenfield integrated steel plant in the Gorakhpur Industrial Development Authority industrial area, and we have a capacity of 0.3 million tons per annum. Ours is a plant having all the four integration, which is iron ore, from iron ore to sponge iron, thereafter melting the sponge iron with scrap into in induction furnace, and then rolling it into TMT rebars. We have also installed the entire power requirement of the project is being met by our captive power plant, which is of 30 megawatt capacity. For the steel melt shop, we have opted for 30 ton into 3 induction furnaces. This project commenced in the year 2020, and it has recently commissioned 3 months back, which is in December 2022. At the time of finalization of the major equipment suppliers and technological partners, Electrotherm was the name which we have been hearing about for a long period of time. As a second generation entrepreneur in our group, this was my first experience in the steel industry, because earlier we have been engaged in the textile business. But based on the market feedback and contacting Electrotherm, we planned a visit to Jalna, and we visited several number of units where the installations of ET was there. And initially we were of the opinion of going for a smaller furnace of 15 ton capacity into 4 furnaces. But after seeing the latest defork model of Electrotherm running in various units in Jalna, we were convinced that going for the higher size will be more beneficial, and we opted for 3 furnaces of 30 tons, and which was of the latest model being offered by Electrotherm. And I would like to say that right from the pre-sales services, initial concept phase to planning phase, and in engineering, Electrotherm has provided us all the support, all the suggestions, and they have recommended the most efficient layout for in the designing stage. Although we have engaged a good technical consultant for designing and detailed engineering of the project, but Electrotherm was equally actively involved in the planning phase and in the finalization of the layout, and also in the detailed engineering. One thing which Electrotherm was very good at was that all the auxiliaries required for the furnaces, be it the charging system, the ladle handling system, electrical system, they were very keen to assist and offer their inputs in all the services which would help to optimize the productivity of the project. During the installation and commissioning phase also, the team of Electrotherm was readily available for the required numbers of man days. We faced no issues in their availability of service engineers. Their delivery was also as per the committed schedule, and there was no issues in the timely delivery. Despite immediately after our order, the country was hit, in fact the world was hit by COVID waves, but the delivery was met as per the commitments made by Electrotherm. And because of the timely delivery and timely service, our project was able to be commissioned in a scheduled manner. Now, in the 3 months of running, I would say that the stabilization of the plant has been very trouble-free, and Electrotherm, without even calling for their services, they have been frequently visiting our plant. Their electrical head, their mechanical head have frequently visited our plant, and they have offered a lot of valuable suggestions and improvements which can be done in the operational practices. For the spares, for the whatever minor teething issues we faced during the commissioning, whether it be regarding some broken parts or faulty parts, they were immediately resolved and replaced by Electrotherm. So, service point of view, we are very well satisfied with the service of Electrotherm. And in case of, by God's grace, we have not faced any major breakdown till now. But even if there is a small problem, their field team is readily available, and they respond immediately on our calls. And the quality of equipment so far is working very good, and I am very confident and happy to recommend their furnaces to anybody who is considering an induction melting unit. So, I would like to wish them all of the best for their future endeavors, and even for our further needs and expansion, we will definitely consider Electrotherm as our technology partner in the steel melt shop unit.